I want to give you some tips and tricks on how photography really impacts your Amazon listing. The first and most important thing when you are developing your photographs for your listing is making sure that your first image is as compelling as humanly possible. When people are scrolling through Amazon and they're looking for a specific product, the first thing they're going to see is that first image. And it's going to be plain because everyone's picture is just a product on a white background. And so the way that I approach this is I look at all of my competition. So I'm going to look through every other competitor's listing first image and see what it looks like. Do they have their bottle turned at a certain angle? Do they have a person's hand in the picture? How have they displayed their image? And then I like to creatively think about a way that I can do it slightly different. How can I make my product look bigger, stand out more colorful, more vibrant, whatever that might be. And the purpose of this is really just to make sure that when people are scrolling through, you're the image they pick.